জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী, জয় বিশালাক্ষী, জয়।
No matter what it takes, I will help her reach her home. I'll surely take her to her home. No one can stop me now. None at all.
No, I won't allow this to happen. If I don't escape from here, they will continue worshipping me. I won't be able to go back to Tripto. I have to escape.
Where are you going, Holy Mother? We, the women of the village, will worship you. We will worship the Holy Mother. We will pray to the Holy Mother to our heart's content. We will pray to you, O Holy Mother. Hey, make the holy sound.
What all is happening, Lourdes Vishalakshi? What all is happening?
Hail the Lord!
Doctor? Doctor, I don't need anything. I don't want my sight back. I don't need an eye surgery. I want nothing. I just want to go back to my Tripto. Please allow me to go. I don't want anything else. Nothing at all.
What is this? Ultimately, even the doctor also folded his hands in front of the Holy Mother. Finally, he has agreed that she is our Holy Mother. The glory of the Holy Mother is incomprehensible. Hail to the Lourdes! Hail to the Lourdes!
Cheers! Sanjukta, let's raise a toast. Let's drink to Tripto's health.
all ideas crop up in your brain. Do you call this drinking to Dripto's help? Hey Vicky, listen.
Yes.
The doctor says that Dripto doesn't remember anything, right? Then he must have surely forgotten that I had pushed him from the tall building.
Yes, right. He doesn't remember anything. All the information from his brain has been erased. And even if he has some memories left, it's stored in his subconscious. He won't be able to access those memories even if he wants.
Really? So I shouldn't have any problem going in front of him. There's no problem at all. It is my duty to visit my eldest son, isn't it?
Absolutely. Sanjukta, where were we all this while?
We were at the temple all this while. We were praying earnestly all this while.
Oh, yes, that's right. The tears we shed while praying have turned our eyes red.
Dr. Devdut. Dr. Devdut, finally you too believe them all. Please get up. Get up, please. Believe me, I'm not a Lourdes. I'm not an incarnation of the Lourdes. I'm a mortal. Why don't you understand? I'm not an incarnation of the Lourdes. I'm not able to bear the pressure of so many people's fate, doctors. Please. You never believed that I'm a divine being. Then why do you believe it now? Tell me. Your disbelief on me as my only hope, Dr. Devdut. Please don't snatch my hope from me. I am pleading with you. Please don't snatch it away.
Keep quiet. Listen to me carefully. Whatever is happening here, let it continue. Trust me a little, please trust me. I promise you to take you back. I promise you to take you back to your husband. I'll arrange everything. Please, have some faith in me. Hail the Lord! Hail the Lord! Hail the Lord! Hail the Lord!
Dripto, why are you staring at me in such a weird manner? Can't you believe what I'm saying? I have applied the sacred vermilion of the goddess so that you get well, Dripto. Dripto, if you don't believe me, then what about the growing child in my womb? Can't you feel that either, Dripto?
No, I don't remember. I don't remember anything.
No. You can't forget me like this. You can't do this to me, Dripto. What should I do now? How will I prove that I'm your wife, Dripto?
I might be acting helpless in order to make you believe my story. How to prove my point? I have everything planned, Dripto.
What should I do now? What should I do? Yes, Dripto. I have a proof. I have it in my phone. I will show you. Wait. See, have a look.
The flour that was sent for chemical analysis was found heavily poisoned.
Do you understand the meaning of finding flowers in your room? Not only one, but there was also a huge quantity of flowers in your room, Dripto. Who decorated your room, Dripto? Tell me.
The wedding that you had stopped. The photographs of that wedding will come to my aid today. You just keep watching, man.
See this? This is our wedding photograph. And I'm in a bride's attire. You are in groom's attire. See this photo? It was during the Shubha Drishti ritual. Dripto, even after this, don't you believe that I'm your wife? Dripto, if you don't believe me, then what will happen to the one who is growing in my womb?
No. I don't remember anything. I don't remember anything at all. I don't remember anything. Nothing at all.
Okay, Dripto. Okay, you'll remember everything. You'll remember everything. But if you don't remember anything, what will happen to our child? What will happen to me? Okay, you'll remember everything. You'll remember everything. I'm there with you, okay? Why would you have any problem remembering? I'll help you out. If you don't remember anything, I'll remind you. But
what? Why did you stop? Say it.
the doctor has instructed me not to remind you anything. So, even after the family members too might not want to tell you anything. No. I don't think I should be so eager to remind you everything. What if you get a headache because of me? You'll suffer, won't you? Though I want you to remember everything, but you need to remember everything naturally. You'll have to remember everything about your family and your relatives as well. Yet, no. Let it be. I should rather go.
Stop. Please don't go. Please don't go. I want to know everything. I don't want to live in this darkness. I don't want to follow the doctor's instructions. You tell me, who am I? Please tell me who all are in my family. Who am I?
That's it. That's all I wanted. Now you will see, Dripto Basu. How will I lay a trap for you? Hail the Lord!
Hail the Lord!
Hail the Lord!
Hail the Lordess! Hail the Lordess! Oh, Holy Mother, come.
Trust me a little, please trust me. I promise you to take you back. I promise you to take you back to your husband. I'll arrange everything.
How will Dr. Devdu take me away from here? This place is filled with people. Will it be possible to escape dodging so many eyes? It will be better if I can stay in this room. I have to look for an opportunity. What should I do? What should I do now? Oh Lourdes Vishalakshi, show me the way. Please show me the way, oh Lourdes. What are you thinking, oh Holy Mother? It's time. Let's go. Come along, Holy Mother. No, I won't go. I won't go in front of anyone. I won't go. No, I won't go. What are you saying, oh Holy Mother? The devotees are eagerly waiting just to have a glimpse of you. Please don't refuse them. You are the avatar of the goddess. The devotees have the absolute right to the Lourdes, oh Holy Mother. They have arrived from far off places just to have a glimpse of you, just to worship you, just to hear their future prediction from your mouth. Oh Holy Mother, please don't dishearten them. But I'm not an astrologer. I just can't predict people's future without any context. At times I have a headache. Only then I see the future. I don't see the future at my will. Please understand. Please. Whenever Lourdes Vishalakshi wants, only then do I get to see my third eye lighting up. You will be able to do it if you want, yes. Oh Holy Mother, the one who possesses so much power, she can do whatever she wants. You can do it if you want, Holy Mother. Believe me, the gift of forcing the future is not under my control. Why should I lie to you? Please don't ask me to appear before the devotees. Please don't take me in front of them. I can't do this. Holy Mother. What should we do now? The Holy Mother is not agreeing to go back to the temple. We can't force the Holy Mother.
You are right, madam. But the devotees are becoming restless outside.
Oh, Holy Mother. Oh, Lourdes, please save me. Oh, Mother, please save me. Who are you? What happened? Oh, Holy Mother, my son is suffering from a deadly disease. Oh, Holy Mother, will he live? Will he live, Holy Mother? Please tell me. Please tell me, Holy Mother. Holy Mother. No. I won't go back home. I will stay here.
Why are you doing this, Grandma? Please don't be stubborn. You are not well at all. You need rest.
No. I don't need any rest. I won't rest. There is something more important. We need to guard Tripto.
Grandma, why do we need to guard him?
Listen. If we all leave and Jasmine arrives at that time, she will see that no one is here. But Tripto doesn't remember anything from the past. What if Jasmine convinces him to believe her? No. I will not go. You all go. I will stay here and be on guard. I won't go.
Dripto, you should only believe me, okay? You should only listen to me. If you trust everyone, then they might misguide you.
Misguiding me.
Yes, of course. I'm your wife. No one will want what is the best for you more than me, right? Promise me that you won't believe anyone else other than me. Okay? I'll be back.
Please don't worry, Mother. We won't allow anyone to come closer to Deepu who can misguide him. Nayan is missing. We cannot let Deepu get harmed anymore.
No need to remind Deepu of his past. We should only focus on things that will make Deepu healthy and happy.
No matter how much ever Deepu loses controls or shouts at us, we won't react.
Be careful. Easy, Dripto.
Jasmine? Please tell me, oh Holy Mother, if my son will live or not. Holy Mother, he is too precious to me. He is my only child. Please tell me whether he will live or not. Forgive me. Please forgive me. I can't predict everyone's future. Holy Mother, everything is possible for you. Just tell me once. Will he live? Tell me, oh Holy Mother. Your words are written on stones, oh Holy Mother. He will live only if you say, Mother. Won't you say it, oh Holy Mother? Please say it. Please. Please say it. Oh Lourdes Vishalakshi, the tears of this mother are breaking my heart, oh Lourdes. But I know that I have no such power. Please protect his son's life, oh Lourdes. Please protect his son's life. Please say it. Say it once, oh Holy Mother. Just say it.
Listen, dear. Please don't cry like this in this manner. The Holy Mother will appear before everyone in some time. Yes, we will bring the Holy Mother to you. Please go now, dear. Please don't cry. Go now. Go and close the door, or else someone might just barge in. Go.
Did you see that? Did you see that, Guruma? I was afraid of exactly this. They all think that I am the Holy Mother, but that's not true. That's why I couldn't predict a child's future. Please spare me. I am a simple human being. I'm not an incarnation of the Lotus. Please understand I am not.
Oh, Holy Mother, this is just the whims of the Lotus. She appears with ordinary human beings. Whether you believe it or not, you are the Holy Mother. Devotees have gathered from far off places to worship you. Won't you appear before them? Oh, Holy Mother, will you refuse them? It will be a huge blow to their faith, oh Holy Mother.
That's inevitable. It won't be possible for me to predict everybody's future, Guruma.
Fine then. Even if you can't predict everyone's future, you will definitely be able to predict a few people's future at least. Who can say when the Goddess Vishalakshi showers her grace on you?
Oh, yes. You can only talk whenever the Lotus wants you to. We won't force you at all.
That's right. That's right. Nayan will talk whenever she feels like it. We have understood it all, dear. We have understood it all, my child. You are the daughter of Lotus Vishalakshi. Sing praises of the Lotus. Chant Lotus. Glory to the Lotus.
Hail to the Lotus.
Hail to the Lotus.
Hail to the Lotus.
Hail to the Lotus.
Oh Lotus Vishalakshi, what kind of trouble did I get in? Tell me.